You too.
Concentrating on me.
Oh, sorry.
Sit down. Wait. Wait. On.
Do you know how hard it is to shoot a video without getting you in it, knowing how shy you are about stuff like that? Do you know how hard it is to go video without getting you in it because you're so shy about it? And Zebby's knackered. Hello, Zebby. Hello. Oh, pose to camera.
Not much left of that now. Let's go find another one.